started a few different projects, and here's a quick little update on our new body shop. This is our main office area. This is where you'll come in for reception. You can see that we've added a drive-through. So looking outside at the weather, this is exactly why we want customers to feel comfortable, dry, and warm or cool in the summer. These are some of the new colors for Ford Motor Company. So this whole building is, all the design of it was endorsed by Ford Motor Company as well as every other OEM. So we will be certified to do work for any OEM within vehicles. Follow me and we'll go over to some notes. We're using lots of natural light. There is no substitute for light in our world. Over here, we're going to have a substantial parts department. So the storage of all the large parts will be upstairs, with the smaller, more commonly used parts downstairs. This is our aluminum bay. Our glass bay is here for windshields. Then these are all these body bays in here. Now, I don't know how this happened, but apparently this is $260,000. New frame machine. So we'll have 2 frame machines. Some of the equipment is up on here. Something I want to point out is all of our airlines are coming in high velocity, and we also have a vac system. So the shop will stay extremely clean. So when they're sanding, which is very common to do in the body business, you'll end up with a no dust in the shop, or very minimal dust. We got not 1, not 2, but 3 paint booths. This is a full downdraft system, and this is where we'll do most of the painting. The 2 others are called prep stations, and by sliding a curtain over them, the doors, we can actually do painting on there as well. In here, there's some cool things. Since the advent of waterborne base paint, the only way you can get paint to dry is with massive amounts of air movement. So this is an all automatic system, and these little things will have great velocity, and they'll actually pan back and forth to dry the vehicle. As well as in each corner, we have that. The paint kitchen, which is where they mix all the paint. And this is an airlocked building or little room as well. And then over here, the envy of most central vac systems. This is the vac sand system, but basically, this one takes all of the dirt, drops it in there, and they dump that daily. All the noise stays back out of the workers' ears, and it should work extremely well. We went to a full fire suppression system here, so it's a sprinkler system, and every booth, including the chimneys on the booth and the prep, will have fire suppression in them, so we shouldn't burn. Here, this is where we're going to put a lift or a hoist, so that we can, when we get a collision, we can lift it off the ground and then fully inspect it. And that pretty much gives you the quick update on the body shop. We expect to be open by April 15th. This whole building and all the equipment was done by Jeff Litzenberger, our fixed operations manager. And this is upstairs part. And what we've done is we've gone to 2 air compressors. So one is always a backup with an extra vessel. And this is the air dryer. So every bit of air that goes into the system out on the shop floor has been air dried. So there'll be 0 moisture. Let's go to Jeff's pallet. This is how Jeff's office will be finished, his desk, and of course his ladders. He gets no furniture whatsoever. He spent the money on equipment, so this is what he's got to live with. He does have a great view though. And nothing more Canadian like a winter day at Tim Hortons.